Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Happy travels.
So the world-famous beer corner is located in the old Hanoi Quarter, and I've used a beer bottle here to point out its location for you. Bia Hơi is available throughout Vietnam and is found in small bars and on street corners. The beer is brewed daily, then matured for a short period of time, and once ready, each bar gets a fresh batch delivered every day in steel barrels. Bia Hơi is a simple beer, and production is not monitored by any health agency, which makes it a fraction of the cost of draft or bottled beer in the Western style bars. It is typically priced between 3,000 and 5,000 Vietnamese dong, which is equivalent to 16 to 21 US cents per 12-ounce serving.
Hello.
Hai người thì phải.
Two. It's good. Good. Have a seat. Cheers. 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 Okay, here we are, the local street corner, drinking some Bia Hơi and a local beer. And we've met our friends from San Diego, from Germany, from Venezuela, Florida. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Steven.
Charlie.
Simon.
Vanessa.
Fantastic. We're all sitting here having a great time. Would subscribe to Blown Away.
Subscribe.
Or providing a hot spot, which is very needed. And cheers, everybody. Great being happy travels. They're actually considering sailing around the world also themselves. Yeah.
Congratulations. We'll meet up.
Thank you. We love it.
Congratulations to you for your wonderful dreams. All of you. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my gosh.
We are going.
Alright, well now we gotta get us.
Okay.
What are we doing?
Video. So our Kiwi friends who got to know us because Brown was acting crazy. This is Ian and Annie, yes?
And you guys are coming to visit us in Nelson when you get your boat. And you're going to come and stay in our Airbnb.
Absolutely.
Alrighty.
We love that.
Best of
Awesome.
luck.
Open throughout the day and late into the night is the ever-bustling beer corner in the Hanoi Old Quarter, where you can see hundreds of Westerners and local people sitting on plastic stools bonding over cups of Bia Hơi.